you guys, we're now at Berry Farm.
Yeah.
Look. Woo, yeah. Okay. So we'll record some more once we're inside the park. Hey guys, we're gonna be going on an accelerator. Check it out.
They should take it right there.
Yeah, when you come down, I guess takeoff is the most scariest. You're not expecting it.
This is gonna be the worst ride of my life.
Hey you guys, we just went on Riptide and everything. We've been going on a lot of rides, and now we're going on Supreme Scream. Oh yeah, right there, that white one right behind me. Oh yeah, we're gonna like scream our heads off. So see you later. Okay, so this is the next day after coming back from Knott's Berry Farm. It was so exhausting, but we had so much fun. Thanks for watching.